AOC has recently introduced the 24E11XH, a budget-friendly gaming monitor that packs a punch with its impressive features. Priced at an attractive 599 yuan, this gaming gem can be snagged at an even more enticing price of 529 yuan or $74. Let's take a closer look at the key specifications that make the AOC 24E11XH a noteworthy addition to the gaming monitor market. The 24E11XH boasts a modern and sleek appearance featuring a slim 1mm 3-sided bezel. Its 23.8-inch 1080p IPS panel delivers a crisp 1920 by 1080 resolution and offers wide 178-degree viewing angles. This makes it an ideal choice for a variety of tasks, including casual gaming, web browsing, and video playback. The monitor covers an impressive 82% of the NTSC color gamut, providing a rich color palette with 16.7 million colors and an 8-bit color depth. This level of color accuracy makes it suitable for professional appearance work, ensuring true-to-life and vibrant colors. With a brightness rating of 300 nits and a contrast ratio of 1000:1, the 24E11XH enhances overall picture quality. For gaming enthusiasts, the 24E11XH doesn't disappoint. It boasts a 4 milliseconds GTG response time, optimizing performance for gaming and other high-speed content. The 100Hz refresh rate ensures smooth and lag-free visuals, reducing screen stutter and enhancing the efficiency of office work. Additionally, the monitor comes equipped with HDR mode, providing improved color and contrast in both dark and light areas, simulating an HDR effect for SDR content. Taking user comfort into consideration, the monitor is TUV certified for low blue light emissions. It incorporates a low blue light mode and DC dimming to reduce screen flicker and minimize eye strain, making it suitable for extended use. The 24E11XH also offers various scene modes, including energy saving, web, game, movie, sports, and reading, catering to different usage environments. With support for 100 by 100mm VESA mounting, the 24E11XH ensures flexibility in how it's displayed. In terms of connectivity, the monitor includes an HDMI 1.4 port and a D-sub port, making it compatible with a range of devices such as laptops and desktops. The monitor comes in a compact dimension with dimensions of 603 by 396 by 130mm. It has a gross weight of 3.76 kg and a net weight of 2.65 kg, making it easy to integrate into various setups. Leading the charge is the AOC U27G10 gaming monitor, a powerhouse display crafted for gamers and content enthusiasts. This 27-inch model features a 4K fast IPS panel, ensuring stunning visuals with a resolution of 3840 by 2160. What sets it apart is the impressive 160Hz refresh rate, delivering a smooth and responsive gaming experience. Priced at 24.99 yuan or $352, the U27G10 offers a compelling blend of resolution and refresh rate, making it an attractive option for those who demand both clarity and speed from their gaming displays. In conclusion, AOC's 24E11XH offers an impressive array of features at an attractive price point, making it a strong contender in the budget-friendly gaming monitor segment. Whether you're a casual gamer, a creative professional, or someone in need of a versatile display, this monitor is developed to meet your needs without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I expect them in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.